Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of JLT Clamps Presents. Assembling drawer boxes by hand can be a frustrating process. Not only is it frustrating, but it can also take away time from a skilled assembly worker. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how the JLT Drawer Box Clamp can significantly cut down on assembly time on your drawer boxes. Constructing a drawer box can take excess time when trying to assemble, square, and measure all by hand. The JLT Drawer Box Clamp comes pre-squared from our factory to ensure squareness of your boxes. When using the JLT, simply get your drawer pre-assembled in the clamp, making sure that the sides are aligned with both the front and back. The bottom of the drawer should also be aligned and ready for clamping. A pneumatic foot pedal is used to engage clamping pressure, squaring the box against the left plate. Once your box is loosely assembled, adjust the roller carriage towards the side of the drawer, press down on the foot pedal and let the pneumatic clamping do the rest. Watch as the pneumatic pressure quickly assembles this dovetail drawer in a matter of seconds, something that would take minutes to accomplish by hand. The right to left pressure securely interlocks the joints, ensuring full construction. Thank you all for watching, and remember that with JLT clamps, you can glue it all today.